Hi everyone, have you ever wondered how to create an aged terracotta look? Well, I'm going to take this £2 charity shop vase and show you how. So I'm using an Iron Orchid Designs mould. You can use any of the moulds in their range, and I'm starting with terracotta air dry clay. And you can see how beautifully detailed this mould is. Gluing it to the surface, it's best to lay it down and make sure all the edges are firmly attached. Leave it to dry, and any spare clay wrap in wet kitchen towel and cling film and stick it in the fridge. Now here we are. This is how we create that look. So chalk paint and a water-based varnish, and you just mix it 50-50. So basically you're creating a glaze. You just whack it on all over, work in small sections, so top to bottom, but one section at a time, and just get into all those nooks and crannies. Now take a dry cloth and just dab off all the excess and keep moving the cloth around so that you don't get a set pattern. And here again, now you see moving on to the next section along. Now, if you've got a mister spray, this really helps to make sure you don't end up with any hard lines when you're joining two sections. Because of the varnish in there, it dries quite a bit quicker. And as you know, terracotta is very absorbent. So work your way all around the vase, dabbing and spraying as you go. Once you've done the whole vase, just give it a blast with the hairdryer to make sure it's dry, and then we're going to tackle the top and create a bit more of that look of aged terracotta. So this again is where a mister bottle comes in really useful. And you can see how it's running down the vase. So again, you just dab, and you just do as much as you want. You can build it up. If it gets too much, just take off as much as you like. This is all down to personal taste and the look that you like. Now you can dab it to take it off, but also rubbing it and burnishing the surface will help create sort of variations in the surface texture. And there you go. It is really as simple as that. Just let it dry overnight and you'll see how, again, a little bit more is absorbed into the texture of the terracotta surface. And there you are, from £2 charity shop vase to your own little collection of aged terracotta.